Meaning of European Commission.
European Commission.
European Commission.
European Commission.
European Commission. The European Commission is the executive branch of the European Union (EU), responsible for proposing and implementing EU policies, enforcing EU law, managing the EU budget, and representing the EU internationally. It is composed of 27 commissioners, one from each EU member state, and led by a president. The Commission plays a significant role in shaping the direction and priorities of the EU, including issues such as trade and foreign policy, environmental protection, and economic governance. Overall, the European Commission is a critical institution within the EU's decision-making framework.